So now let's see how we can resize, move, and rotate out contents inside of Corel Draw right here. So over here you can see that I have this graphical object right here, and if I want to go ahead and move it, I can simply click and drag out to move it right here. For that, I need to go around and choose the pick tool right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag, you can see that I can move it wherever I want with ease. So if I were to go around onto the edge right here, and there are the corner pins as you can see, and if I were to go around and click and drag it, then I can resize it out right here, just like this. So apart from that, if I were to go around and drag from the edges, you can see that I can go around and resize it out from that part as well, just like this. But if I were to go around and click on this object once more, then this is what I have. I can go around and rotate this out right here, just like this, as you can see. You can also go around and skew it out right here, just like this, and change around the perspective right here by clicking on the edge right here, just like this as well. Apart from that, you can see that there's this anchor point right here, and I can move it anywhere in the node let's say for example, and the rotation happens from that particular part as I go around and click and drag this out, as you can see right here. I can go around and move this out onto another edge, and it moves it out from there. You can even bring it outside, and when I rotate, it moves it out from there, as you can see right here. Same goes for the skew as well, so it moves it out right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and resize, move, and rotate out contents inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.